MooMoo, the new trading platform with a super weird name that's giving Robinhood and Webull a run for their money. Should you add this to your trading arsenal? Well, here are 3 reasons you might want to. I'm talking exceptional charting, analytical tools with free level 2 data, plus free shares. Check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, let's get into it. The charting on this app is crisp and clean. You have all the beginner-friendly tools as default. I'm talking Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACD, all the tools that'll help give you a second opinion. Robinhood doesn't have this feature at all, and although Webull does, MooMoo, in my opinion, is the one that gives you that trading view feel. With a brokerage account on MooMoo, you also get free level 2 data. As you may know, Robinhood and Webull both charge monthly for this feature, but the dudes over at MooMoo are giving it to you for free. In addition, when you trade on this app, you get awesome timestamps of when and where you bought and sold shares, which is awesome for reflecting on the past to help improve future trading. Lastly, MooMoo gives out free shares for signing up. Even with no deposit, you'll still get at least 1 free share. Mine was 23andMe. And if you decide to deposit $100, you'll get 5 more free shares. One of mine in that case was DraftKings. Plus, to sweeten the deal, if you use my referral link, you get twice the chance of getting Google as your free share. So make sure to use that referral. And to make this even more personal, if you decide to sign up and start trading $100, I will buy $50 of a stock on MooMoo of your choosing. Might seem a little weird, but you'll see those shares in my account on all my future videos, which just makes it that much more fun. Well, that's it for this video. Let me know your initial thoughts, comments below. And as always, hit that like button and think about subscribing.